The secret of the glass of water under the bed. Put this under the bed at night and watch what happens. The symptoms of our poor mental health in most cases are due to spiritual factors. Spiritual factors are responsible for the patient not responding to the appropriate treatment in most cases. This spiritual ritual will give you peace of mind and remove the negativity that surrounds you. In order for you to have faith, this is the basis of most home remedies and the placebo effect. Here we try to give a technique to remove the bad energies that surround us using the data that have been discovered through spiritual research. Glass of water. One of the best known techniques to release negative energy is to fill the glass with still water. Water is an element that attracts the negativity of people and environments, and by placing a container with water it is possible that the bad energies happen to the water and are concentrated in her. It is for this reason that water should be discarded every morning and returned to clean water in the container. This water ritual is done in a simple way. How is the ritual of water done to take away the negative energies? Before going to sleep, place a glass of clean water under the bed or on a table light next to our bed, still mineral water. The next morning we will observe the water. If the water meets with bubbles or appears cloudy, it means that during that time the water absorbed bad energies that are manifested in the bubbles of water. After checking the state of the water, we flush the water out of the house or the toilet. Every night this ritual must be repeated to remove negativity and bad waves by placing a glass of fresh water, never to use the water from the night before.